You're on.
Welcome to Anthony's Amazing World today. We're going to talk about the Baja Bomber project and the update on the wiring of your key switch. So, before last time in my last video, I kind of wired it up wrong, so this is an update on that. So this is my power wire from the battery from my fuse box. So it has constant power all the time. Then this is my coil wire. It goes all the way back to the coil. This black one. This is the starter wire right here. Goes all the way to the starter. And then you got your accessory wire and the wire that goes all the way back to the regulator. And we're also going to talk about turn signals, which I've found out that you need an LED flasher relay, which is right here. It also works with incandescent bulbs, up to 4 bulbs. Turn it around so you can see it. Now we're going to show you a little bit about the turn signal switch wires, which are over here on the back of the dash. So this is your power wire. You hook that up to your signal wire to your fuse box. And you got your green wire, which is your passenger or right side, and then your driver's side or your left side right here, left blinker, left turn signal. We'll go ahead and test those out. Turn on my key, and we got passenger side. And you got also the rears going.
Nice.
And we got driver's side. And then also your hazards. That's pretty much it for today on Anthony's Amazing World. Hit that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos.